Hi, welcome to Sayur Step. Here's a quick and easy meal, spiced chickpea soup inspired from a Moroccan soup dish called Harira. What you'll need are coriander leaves, large onion, carrots, vegetable stock cube, ras el hanout spice mix, chopped tomatoes, I'm using frozen here, dried chickpeas, I'm using 2 cups to make about 6 servings. You may also use canned chickpeas. A handful of spaghetti and a few pinches of smoked paprika. If you are using dried chickpeas, add 3 times the volume of water and cook it in a pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you will need to soak the chickpeas overnight. Cook the peas for 40 minutes. When it's done, you can drain them. Throw in chopped onions in a blender or a food processor. Add a little bit of the chopped tomatoes. Add the paprika, 2 teaspoons of the ras el hanout mix and the stock cube. Blend together to make a paste. On medium heat, heat a bit of oil. Add in your paste. Saute until fragrant. Add in the remaining chopped tomatoes. Stir and let simmer. Slice the carrots and roughly chop the coriander. Add into the pot. Add the chickpeas. Stir well. Add enough water to cover. Break the spaghetti into smaller pieces and dump into the pot. To thicken the soup, make a mixture of flour and water. Add into the pot, stir well. If it becomes too thick, add a bit of water. When you have reached the desired consistency, season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately, top with chopped coriander and enjoy. It's good with Moroccan mint tea.